Hi, I'm Andreas, and this is a quick introduction to the Vueform Form Builder, which is a drag and drop builder for our open source form framework, Vueform. You will have all the same elements available that you use in Vueform to build and render your forms, but you'll have a visual interface that helps you to create forms even faster and easier. Now, let me just give you a quick tour of how this works. Besides the actual building part where you drag and drop the elements, the different form elements into the form, you also have dedicated options for all your different fields. So let me just show you two different ones. Let me go to the tree view here. Let's say like this form field. You have a built-in conditions editor and you have a built-in validation editor. So you can just define all of these right here in the builder. Now, some of you might have already noticed we also support nested elements. Another handy feature is the theme editor. Here you can define custom themes. You can align this with your CD, for example, store it, and then also easily switch between different themes. So if I just want to switch to Bootstrap and back, I can do this. Now, all of these features are available for you to try in our online version of the builder. So you can just go to a website and check it out. There's no sign up needed. Now, if you want to do something more advanced with this, so if you want to store and load forms, for example, to work on it as a team, to work on it across longer spans of time on a project, you could also download this. So there's a 60-day trial available for it. You can customize everything you see. So you, as I said, you can define where to store the forms to. You can also define the config panels, etc. So that's basically how it's used, just very quickly, not to get into any details. Now, who is this for or who is using this? There is a lot of different use cases. We do have two common ones. The first one is for developers. So this means developers that potentially already use Vueform as a form framework to build their forms or to build and render their forms. They might use this to speed up their form development. So think, for example, agencies or companies where they use a lot of forms in their products and they just want to speed up the process, the tedious process sometimes of creating those forms. The second one are companies or projects that need a form builder within their own project. So they have a software, a web app, think CRM, RPA systems, compliance, so any systems that rely a lot of custom forms and might need new forms created by end users on a regular basis. As I said, the online version or the demo version of the builder is available online on our website without sign up. You can test it on localhost and on some supported remote domain providers for free for 60 days. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you for listening.